Yeah, a lot of snow blew in. Even upstairs.
Record-breaking snowfall. Many people who have spent the holidays in Lake Tahoe have no way of coming home. Right now,
man, it was windy.
Still shut down, and there is no estimated time of reopening.
Panic attack, brother. Hey, YouTube!
What on earth walked through here? The house in PU is snowed in inside a lot. There's nowhere to park.
The bear, get in to the car.
Bear? A baby bear?
Yeah. Where are you, Serge? I don't have any time to poop.
Okay, let's see if it opens. What on earth do we have here?
And then like, and I showed him, and then he was like, okay.
I like that. I like that.
So here I am at Stockton, and talk about getting snowed in. This is one of our models called Silver, but a lot of this is also plowed in. This is up to my neck, so about 5 feet right here. There's our trailer. You see it? Here's our porta potty. Got to get this cleaned up so we could keep moving forward on this project.
Today, those trees, it's staining. Guys, it's staining. It's already gone. Look at this. No tree. Boom, done. No tree. No tree. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. I can start right now. Call the Liberty. I have Liberty company to connect the power, so we have temporary power. Okay, all good. Clamps. Okay, ground. All braces. 3 braces. All good. Right now I gotta adjust some fence. You see, because those guys comes working. Too much going on. Too much action, and some fence falling. Here it's gonna be Paloma. Second generation. Paloma second generation. Gorgeous house. Beautiful house. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2-car garage, laundry, balcony, front balcony, back deck. Actually 2 deck and a back as well. So it's gorgeous.
So I was just at Stockton, now I'm over here at Charles, and looks like we've got a similar situation. And I don't know where the boys are, but I'm guessing they're on some other property. Probably making way towards the project through the snow. What on earth do we have here? What on earth do we have here, ladies and gentlemen? Let's go check out the next project.
But let me find the sewer. Okay, Sava, move the trailer, please, and move the sausage. Water, straw water, it's called. But I call sausages.
Sausages.
Sausages, man, look at this. This looks like sausages.
Pork or beef sausage, right?
I don't know about pork or beef. Oh, yesterday, oh my God. Hey, Bryce, watch. Come over, Sava, come over. Yesterday, the Stas, he left window open in a car.
Yeah.
The bear get in to the car by the wheels and start running. No, he left chips or something. Yeah. Small bear, like baby bear. It's crazy, man. So man, I should film it down, but the Stas, he's from Sacramento. His first time he saw the bear. We saw a lot of bear. By the way, like couple months ago, Bay Area, some people came for vacation and left the food. Like, I don't know, maybe some pizza, Taco Bell, whatever, In-N-Out, Burger, Chiburita, Burrita. Anyway, the food inside the car. The bear, guys, bear. Came to the car, watch. Came to the car. Open the door and get in. And get in inside. And lock himself there and start shading. Shading there. Like I'm talking about shading. And start ripping the dashboard and bunch of things. Because panic attack, brother. Bear has a panic attack as well.
Okay, just arrived at another project. Hung Papa. So I finally found Eli. He's over here. I hear him. He's inside the house. He's shoveling the snow. But yeah, similar situation. Snowed in and plowed in, and this is what it's like to do construction in Lake Tahoe or any other place where there's snow. It is January, Monday the 3rd of 2022, ladies and gentlemen. Looks like we have a small pathway here. Let's go see what's going on.
What's up, Natalia?
Okay, we passed the inspection.
Wow! Hey, we just passed inspection and a meadow crest. So let me call the trees company so we can cut and trees today or tomorrow.
It's okay, and it's okay to cut that big tree. He didn't want to do it, and then like and I showed him, and then he was like, okay, I guess I can let you do it.
I told you, girl, you can handle it. Yes, I understand, girl. You my girl, man.
I'm the girl who gets the things done. Okay.
Exactly. This my girl. No lunch. No yesterday lunch. No day before lunch. I'm not taking lunch, girl.
Do you want to go for lunch?
I don't have any time. Maybe it's like 2 by the age, but I'll tell you this. I don't have any time to poop. Okay, I gotta run. Because you gotta concentrate it. You gotta find the spots. Nobody hear you.
We did have a snowstorm, so as you can see, there's a little bit of snow everywhere. Of course, most of it has been shoveled already. So this is more of an aftermath. Snow inside here. Man, it was windy. It was windy. There's snow everywhere, Eli.
Sewer line arrow towards to my property. Okay? So the arrow goes here. So I see right here the patch. You can see the patch, right? And right there, the natural cracks. Okay? So the sewer, it's very, very close. This is where I marked with my leg right there. Just like that, I did it fine. And this is the property line. So stub out is supposed to be at the property right there with cap. There is a mark somewhere right there. So the cracks right here. So this is right to the money. So I'll start this area investigating, right? I'll start digging.
So there's a pathway to the house. And there's also a space for parking, as you can see. The subcontractors will not have an excuse not to come work. Oh, the path to the bathroom, have to clean that too. Oh man. Okay, let's see if it opens. Yeah, success. Okay. Now we go to the next project. Yeah, because you never know. Yeah.
First time. Look at this, guys. So metal stake. It looks like question mark. Where are you, sewer? I'm here, my friend. Somebody put in there. This is, by the way, this is no. Like this stake, I saw this first time. Another time, I saw the wood stake. Where's the cap? So we are on the right to the money. I like that. I like that. I like that. You like that. I like that.
Here is a Paiute project. Snowed in and plowed in, and there goes the toilet. Anybody need to use the toilet? No? So Eli says that there was a company that was supposed to, what, create a parking space for us?
Same like in the Hung Papa?
Yeah, the same like Hung Papa, yeah. The streets are very narrow.
And we block it, we stay here.
There's nowhere to park unless we knock on the neighbor's door and say, hey, can we park right here? Yes or no? Hey, Serge, good morning.
Hey, good morning.
So I went to a few projects. Right now we're at PU. And Eli said that you paid a plow guy to make parking space, yeah? So the only place I've seen it so far is at Hung Papa.
Okay.
PU, nobody made a parking space.
I gotta leave it. I gotta text it him. Потому что он сказал, что сделает.
Yeah, I'm just letting you know so he doesn't rip you off, you know, it tells you he did it, but he didn't do it.
Okay. I appreciate it. Thank you.
The house in PU is snowed in inside a lot.
Давай, я тебе наберу попозже.
I'm gonna help him out a little bit, and then I called Serge and told him that the guy didn't make parking space. So what's the plan? What's next?
Just clean inside the house. Make the path to the bathroom.
You see the silver line, but no cap. This is just a junk. I don't think so. I broke because look at this old corrosion. So it's not there, but this is just a junk. And remember the story I said? One of my friend connect the sewer to the pipe. He ties. This is the sewer. He connected because it's underground. It's never sewer. It's just a piece of pipe.
I can go ask if we can park here. So I'm gonna go ask these nice neighbors here if we can park maybe here? I don't know. Or at least if Eli can park his truck. So nobody answered the door. Let me see if I can try a different neighbor. Oh, that was a nice morning breeze. I wanted to ask you, can we park one of our cars here so we can clean a pathway?
Yeah.
Thank you. So, nice neighbor. Eli, we can park over there at that neighbor's. That big house. I just parked my car here for now at this nice neighbor's house. Eli is already shoveling.
I told you, I heard something. Here we go. We just hit the stub out. Okay, this is the cap for stub out. Usually it's a little bit different, but who cares? We got the sewer, guys. We just gotta dig it out, and we got the sewer.
See some broken pipe in there?
He said no more water because I'm gonna get dirty. We get dirty here every day. What's the difference? There's dust flying. I'm covered in dust every day.
Woo. Yeah, it's over there. I can see. Give me a shovel. Guys, so I'm in the trench, and this is what we find. Or not. I think it's here. Right there, yeah. Here, guys. Oh, somebody got me out! Oh! Somebody beat me! I'm joking. Hey guys, we find the goal. You know, we found the goal. Gold. So let me show you. I'm always happy when I find a sewer line. The reason why? Because sometimes it's pain in the ass, believe me or not. Okay, this is the sewer line. You can see it. Right now we clean up this area. I can see the angle, Bryce. It's 22 angle approximately. It's going this direction.
That's good. That's what I need.
It is. This is what we need. Exactly. So we gotta do this direction. We gotta do it. So I don't know. It's by the shoulder, guys. How many feet? I don't know, bro. 5 feet? 4.5. 4.5. Whatever. It's deep enough. It's deep enough. Man, Sava is gonna be mad. He wanna see how we find the sewer, and we find the sewer without him. So we find the sewer, Sava.
Find the sewer. Over there?
Yeah. Sorry, brother, you missed again. You missed
but it's
again.
Okay, I'll just...
What happened, brother? Look at this. I'll show you.
Yeah, we got a free empty trailer. Yeah.
Right here. This is the station.
Yeah, you just broke the cap.
Yeah, the cap. Right there. This is the money, brother. I'll tell you this. This is the money.
Next house, I think.
So it looks like some snow got into there, but it can get pretty windy. It's windy right now. See? Oh wow. My question is, what kind of footsteps are those? What on earth walked through here? An elk? Who knows whose footsteps these are? Oh, I think it might be a rabbit. We have more footprints here. I think it might be a rabbit hopping around. Well, here you can see it a little better. It does look like little rabbit paws.
There's so much dust because we try and put the fence, safety fence. Okay. So the connections is right here. This is our connection. Okay. Alrighty, sounds good. This is the cleanup. We'll extend it. This pipe will extend it, but for inspection. Hey YouTube, can you hear me? Hello. So we gotta put the tester right there, and we'll gotta fill it in with air. So inspector comes, he'll check the gauge. So gotta be slope per foot, 1/4 per foot. So we are come up here, right there. This is our step out, okay? And we gotta do 5 psi. Okay, so here, this is the cleanup. This is my concrete wall right there, and another cleanup over there. Okay, 2 cleanups. Remember this. Okay, so water. Let's walk for water. We got domestic water and fire line. This is the fire line, 2-inch, okay, and gotta be 80 psi, okay, for testing. And domestic water, we have 3/4, okay. We gotta do 80 as well, psi. Okay, so this is our end right there. This is our trench. Let me get in. By the way, this is the copper, okay. The lines, we gotta put those too easy to find and separate. You see, we separate 2 pipes, separate in the same trench, but we are separating. The deepness of the trench is 4 feet. 4 feet for water. Okay, so what we have here, this is the water goes line, okay, and goes to the city. This is the shut-off valve. You can see it. This is emergency shut-off valve for house, for whole thing. Okay, and you gotta come up as well with copper line. ABS pipe, 2 inches, and we put the cap so the dirt not falling. The special shut-off valve is there. You saw how I doing when I'm welding. Okay, this is my temporary garden hose. We'll be using temporary water for construction. Okay, this is tub out. It's for future, for landscaping. Everything it's gonna be underground. This later we'll cut it, we'll cap it, and we'll put the box, green box. So if you see my soil right there, everything this is in a little bit lower position. Okay, the boxes, it's gonna be there, CT2 boxes with 2 meters. Simple, guys, simple. The temporary power, we are still waiting for connection. If you're not gonna be connection, we gotta do generator.